And today we started the tasks and the creator from by the Flask to create the response for API app, and the app can do all some request to return the creator answer and do some function. Yeah, and we can use the CSV, and they can use the we define the app, and this is the help request here, and this is the login. And we can use the file data and the AG first level, last level, Jordan, and here this is the data, and we can even set the path and from the dataset path. And we use the app in path and PA and this login and here and to create the app Flask and Flask is a lightweight framework path framework writer in Python, and it lambda Flask supports something small but flexible. And in Flask we use the router to create the function, and we use the router to create the request API returns the return to do some request, and this with a defined field. And the first to login the GL, we can create the iOS gen pass gen join and to create return the data pass, and we can OS make JS to create the login. Yeah, here, and this is we can use the app gen login and background, and we define the forward to the time to record a time corresponding the function. We can handle the set format and format and the app just login the state level and app and login. And we define the required AG and the dot divider uses the pandas to read the CSV and return, and to the required the server GF and the return to CSV and login the info and the partition app can login the partition. And the title is the learn, and the page we can suppression or data from page, and the per page define the per pages from the request as page or data, and we can start the page 10 here, and this is the page from the 0 and to here, and this end of standard from the standard and per page and GF then Excel and to return all data and page per page total per page and items. And we can use Gquant the two requests to return the planned requests, and this is two requests. And we can define a status code, and this response range is return the and OK. That's okay, and this is by the requester route find the function, and this is here, and this is here, and this is required function. We can define the app route. We can divide if you want to the route, you can get and return the health, and we can use the health and return the health, and we can check the data, and we can check the Flask CSV status login and Flask login, and they can check the Flask and here and to open the here and to has status and return the status parent, and we can use the requirements pages get and the load character f and page just file and current search by the first level or the last one. You can use the one or the other one, and if the load first and if the load first return by the request, and to master have the request and the gf and the listen and cell lower and force the return the collapse to lower to check to complete, yeah, complete and to check the current answer. And if the first and the first core is success and not false and the here. And if the request lost and last core, we can return here, and we use the JOS file to for the response body. And we can use the put, and this is updated function, and we can use the item ID and for the here. And the item ID you can use the put and to give the update the here, and we can use here. And we use the some check to the check to is the meter can update the function and is on low and return. And we can use the for local to provide the completer from the all function to do some request, and some request contains the completed. Yes, and we can use the router and to legislate to here, and we can use the firelock to prevent the some complexity from the different requests. And we can use here, and we can use and here, and the list for the here, and we can return the detail and status is of prevents the some other spam.
Starting Flask server at port 5000. Listing all characters with pagination. Searching for Phoebe Buffet by first name. Updating Ross Geller occupation to professor. Deleting Joey Tribbiani from database. All changes